My husband and I decided, with Dr. Cho's recommendation, to go ahead with the LANAP surgery. That would be the best for me. She totally explained what was going to happen, that the laser was going to go in and get rid of any bone spurs, which I had, and infection. It would alleviate and kill all the infection in underneath that no one could see. And so it'll be gone. And so my body would be able to heal after that and regrow the bone that was starting to deteriorate. I have to say, I never knew I had a tooth problem because nothing ever hurt. But my health was bad. I have been working on my health for the last 20 years, trying to figure out, doctors can't figure out, why my immune system was so low, and I think that my teeth had a huge impact on that. My anxiety level was a 10. The fear was overwhelming. And so she told, of course it was very calming, told me not to worry, that, they're going to give me shots that, I won't feel anything. And the minute she said shot, I was almost out the door. And they waited a while. They waited a couple hours to see if I could calm down, and because she does give you some things to calm you down. So I had to go home, and then she called in. She has an anesthesiologist who's a very kind man, just seriously professional, knows what he's doing. Made me feel confident, because I've had anesthesia before with having children, and I felt them cut me because they didn't do it right. The anesthesiologist told me, you never have to worry about any kind of pain because I'll know you hurt before you do. And that just calmed me down, because I've had the experience of them not giving me enough anesthetic. He put me out. The next thing I knew, I woke up and he goes, "What's your name? What are you doing?" And so it was very fast. It's a 5-hour surgery, and it was only 3 hours. People who are afraid go see Dr. Cho because she caters to that, and it's important. And the people that work for her, the staff, are they're sincerely kind. They're not faking it. It's a place where you're going to come out looking better and feeling better and knowing that a job well done. And that's what you go for, a job well done.